In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime when it's stuck on connecting. It's something that can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you rely on FaceTime for keeping in touch with friends or family. If you find yourself in this situation, don't worry, I'll guide you through a series of effective steps to get you back on track in no time. First, let's talk about the importance of checking your internet connection. The strength and stability of your Wi-Fi or cellular network can greatly affect the performance of FaceTime. Make sure that you're connected to a strong and reliable network. If you're already on Wi-Fi and experiencing connectivity issues, try switching over to mobile data to see if that alleviates the problem. Sometimes changing between these two options can lead to a better connection and could solve the issue. Next, ensure that your device's iOS is up to date. Apple often releases updates that fix bugs and improve functionality. To do this, navigate to Settings, then General, and select Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. Keeping your software current not only ensures optimal app performance, but also boosts your device's security against vulnerabilities. Now let's move on to FaceTime itself. Sometimes simply toggling the FaceTime app off and then back on can refresh its connection to Apple's servers. To do this, go to Settings, find Apps, then FaceTime, turn it off, wait for a few seconds to allow it to fully disconnect, and turn it back on. This simple action can resolve minor connection issues. It's also essential to check your device's date and time settings. If these are not correctly set, FaceTime might have trouble connecting. Head over to Settings, then General, and select Date and Time. Ensure that the Set Automatically option is enabled. Having this setting adjusted correctly is necessary for proper server communication. If the issue persists, consider resetting your network settings. This can clear any network-related glitches you might be experiencing. To reset, go to Settings, select General, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and finally reset network settings. Be aware that this step will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to re-enter them later. Lastly, when all else fails, a good old restart of your device is worth a try. Restarting can often resolve various temporary glitches. Simply turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on to give it a fresh boot. By following these steps, you'll likely find a solution to the problem of FaceTime being stuck on connecting. If issues continue, it may be worth contacting Apple support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips have helped. See you in the next video.